Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will show you how to fix a Redmi Note 9 that keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi network it's getting its internet connection from. Network-related problems are among the most common issues you may encounter if you own an Android device. While they may occur every now and then, most of the time, they're not really that serious. In fact, you may be able to fix them by doing a couple of easy solutions. So if you're one of the Redmi Note 9 users that's currently bugged by this problem, here are the things you should do. First solution, restart your Redmi Note 9. If your phone has been working properly before this problem occurred, then it's probably just a minor glitch with the system or one of the services. So the first thing you have to do is to restart it, and it should be fixed. To restart your phone, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. After that, continue using your phone to know if it still disconnects from the Wi-Fi network. Second solution, forget the current network and reconnect. Another solution in fixing Wi-Fi related problems is to delete the current connection from your phone and then allow it to reconnect to it. Most of the time, it will fix a problem like this. Here's how you do it on your Redmi Note 9. Launch the Settings app on your phone, and then tap Wi-Fi. Tap the little arrow next to the network your phone is connected to. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then tap Forget Network. Tap OK to confirm. Turn off Wi-Fi for a few seconds, and enable it back after that. Now reconnect to the network and see if the problem still occurs. Third solution, power cycle your router. After doing the first two solutions and your Redmi Note 9 continues to disconnect from the network randomly, then it's possible that there's a technical problem with the router itself. One of the best ways to refresh the connection is by rebooting the router. Simply unplug the router from the wall outlet. Leave it without power for at least 5 seconds, and then plug it back in. It may take several seconds before the router starts broadcasting the signal, so wait until it does before making your phone reconnect to it. Fourth solution, factory reset your phone. After rebooting your router and only your Redmi Note 9 disconnects from your network randomly, then it's probably an issue with its firmware. The next thing you need to do is to factory reset it. A reset will fix a problem like this, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data. Here's how you reset your phone. To begin, launch the Settings app on your phone. Tap About Phone. Scroll down a little bit and tap Factory Reset. Tap Erase All Data at the bottom of the screen. If prompted, enter your security lock to proceed. Wait for the countdown to finish and then tap Next. Wait until the counter is finished again and then tap OK. The screen will turn black as the reset begins. After the reset, set up your Redmi Note 9 as a new device. It should work properly now that you've reset it. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.